Hello there. Today I'm going to make a review of this bass amp Ampeg BA110. Now, what I like about this amp is that it sounds amazing and it's very portable. You can you can lift it up and down the stairs without breaking your back. It's amazing. And also, this amp has a line out, which means you could send this line out to an external mixer or an audio interface for recording. So you can use it for practice and for live gigs. Okay, you can mic it or you can use the line out for live gigs. This one I'm using for practicing mainly at home, and it sounds amazing. So I will be playing this amp with my Fender Precision Bass made in Mexico. Okay, so let's listen to it. Let's have a listen. And that concludes our demo. Thank you for watching.